is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's snowing again. Yeah, I know, man. Whatever. I got a good warm garage. That's all that counts, I guess. So anyhow, I am here to show you the heater box that I thought I didn't have. And I do have it. It was up in my son's rafters. So, yeah, buddy. So anyhow, let's turn this around and see what I got. I got a lot of work to do on this thing. Got a lot of cleaning to do. You know, this car's from Arizona, so there's dust and sand and in all the wrong places. So let's turn this around and see what we got. So here we go. So, you know, I mean, all the little arms and controls and everything's good. It really is. So I'm going to put a new heater core in there because I don't want to have to take it back out again. No, I don't. So this is out. It's a blessing. It's a blessing that I found this thing. So it's the original one to the car. I'm happy. We'll check out the blower motor, make sure that's all good. All the air conditioning stuff is going to have to go bye-bye because I'm not going to have air in the car. You know, and one time I wasn't going to even put this box back in the car because I was going to make the car strictly more for, you know, drag racing. You know what I'm saying? And not necessarily at the track either, but we'll keep that to ourselves. So anyhow, I'm going to put a new heater core in here. I'm going to try to use this air box for the air conditioner right here. I'm going to try to use that for something. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use it for, but maybe we'll figure something out for it. I don't know. No big deal. I really don't need the extra weight anyhow, do I? So, anyhow, everything seems to be in working order. I just got to clean it up. You know, car was from Arizona. Arizona's dusty, sandy. You know, I guess most parts are anyhow. I ain't never been there. One of these days we'll have to take a trip down there. And I wonder if I can find this stuff new right here. I mean, this kind of eat up a little bit dry rotted. But I wonder if there's some way that I can actually kind of maybe save that. Or buy a new, you know what I'm saying? Buy new. Because this, I guess it's just kind of eat up right here. But it's not all that bad. And you're not going to see it, you know. I mean, it's not something you're going to see. So I'm going to have to split this, strip it out, put a new heater core in it, and get that done. And then right here is for the vents. And when I pulled this thing apart, all this was already broke off. So these are just clips. So I left these clips on here in case I wanted to reuse it, which was really never my plan. So we got this. So I can pop this and pop this in the new dash and everything like that. That right there just hangs, and then it bolts onto the front of the windshield there on the firewall. And this stuff right here on this seems like it's in a lot better shape than that over there. So I'll put a little glue on there and kind of glue that back when I clean everything up. So I'll take it all apart, make it nice and clean, you know, and keep it going. So yeah, you can see where the dash was broken. That dash was so dry rotted from the heat that it's just not usable. And like I said, when I took it apart, I kept it so I could keep these clips. You know, very important, very important. So everything seems to be in really good shape. I'm happy with everything. This right here looks a little broke, but that's, you're not gonna be able to see that anyhow, right? So we'll split it and make this thing a beautiful piece under the dash that you're never gonna see. I just wanna know it's beautiful. I don't have to see it to know it, just know it. You know what I mean? So I got the dash back here at the back of the car, and it's all in pretty good shape. You know, and I'm not going to find a perfect dash, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to make it as good as I can. And then we got the interior pieces and stuff that we're going to paint up, make it all look the same color. Yes, we are. You know, so we're getting there. So actually, this is, let me see if I can get this open here, not knock anything off the bench here. So the vent right here pretty much just goes right there, and the rest right there you go, and the rest of it's pretty much self-explanatory. You know what I'm saying? So once I get all that, start getting the wiring harness fixed up and get all that taped up, I've been trying to find some new of these clips right here. This holds the sound deadener in. I was or installation, whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to find another one of these. I only found one, and I need two, so I need another one. Or two more, you know, I mean, we're working on it. Another piece of the dash. So, we got things going together. We just got to get things cleaned up. So I'm going to clean it up a little bit and start working on this. And that'll be a whole nother video. I just want to show you what I got. And I'm happy. And he brought the back seat over. I wasn't ready for the back seat yet, but hey, I just threw it back in my pickup truck and shut the tailgate, put the cover over it, and we're good. All right, let's turn this on. Alrighty, so we got that. I'm a happy camper. We just need to get it cleaned up, new heater cord put in there, and start putting it back in the car. And then get the wiring harness in there, get the dash painted, get it all in there, and then we'll start moving along. So once I start working on the interior and start getting the dash and the wire and everything in there, I think that I'm gonna get the steering all set up so everything's rounded off, put the steering column in there and all that. And I think I'm gonna start working on maybe getting the car painted up. Or should I work on a motor before I put a motor and stuff in it before I get it painted? I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll mess with the interior right now and get the electrical and stuff going, and then we'll worry about the other stuff. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. New subscribers, old subscribers, you guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you like this video, please just throw me a thumbs up or something, or hey dude, what's up?